Yugioh Pendulum Monster Cards blur the line between monster and spell, represented by a multicolored background that has green on the bottom, then fades to another color on top. Pendulum Monster Cards are placed in your main deck, while Fusion Pendulum, ik-seez Pendulum, and Synchro Pendulum Monsters are placed face down in your extra deck and cannot be Pendulum Summoned, but must be summoned via the respective summoning method. Below the image on the Pendulum Monster is its Pendulum effect. When you play that card as a spell card in your Pendulum Zone, this is its effect. Some Pendulum Monster cards may not have Pendulum effects. To the right and left of the Pendulum effect is that card's Pendulum scales. The Pendulum scales are numbers that determine which monsters you can special summon during a Pendulum summon. Below the Pendulum effect and scale is the Monster effect. So if you summon this card as a monster, this is its effect. Some Pendulum Monster cards may not have monster effects. Pendulum Monsters can be summoned like normal, or you can activate them as spells in your Pendulum Zones, which are your far right and far left card spots in your spell and trap zone. Pendulum Monsters are always considered monsters except when they are in a Pendulum Zone. Then they are treated as if they were continuous spells, but they are not classified as continuous spells. Instead, they are considered spells without any sort of classification. Pendulum Monsters may never be set as spells, but must be face up and work the same way as if they were spells, except without the spell type. If a Pendulum Monster is destroyed as a spell in your Pendulum Zone, it is still treated as a destroyed monster, so applicable card effects could activate. Whenever one of your Pendulum Monster cards on the field, regardless of which zone it is in, would be sent to the graveyard, place it face up on your extra deck instead. Pendulum Monsters which are sent to the graveyard from anywhere else are still sent to the graveyard. For example, if they are detached as ik-seez material, if their activation as a spell card was negated, if they are discarded from your hand, or if their Pendulum Summon was negated. Pendulum Monsters cannot be used as costs for cards or effects that send cards from the field to the graveyard, since they don't end up there in that case. But Pendulum Monsters can be tributed as costs. If a card or effect is being applied which changes the location of where cards are sent after they leave the field, that effect overrides the Pendulum Monsters going to the extra deck. To Pendulum Summon, during either of your main phases, activate your Pendulum Monster cards as spell cards in your leftmost and rightmost spell and trap zone. These spell and trap zones also become Pendulum Zones. After this, declare that you're Pendulum Summoning. You may only Pendulum Summon once per turn. Check the Pendulum scales on the two sides of your Pendulum Monster cards. Then, special summon as many monsters from your hand and as many face-up Pendulum Monsters from your extra deck whose levels are in between the scale numbers as you want. Pendulum Summoned cards, which are summoned from your extra deck, can only be summoned to an extra monster zone or linked main monster zone. Check out this video on linked monsters to learn about linked monster zones. Pendulum Summoned monster levels must be in between those Pendulum scale numbers. You may not summon monsters with levels equal to the Pendulum scales. Face-down Pendulum monsters in your extra deck cannot be Pendulum Summoned unless they have a condition that allows them to do so.